I think these are the best.
I would rather use my bare hands before I would use those. And just burn the flesh off of my fingers. This is my favorite. Even with the stain, which I'm sure is something I did.
Probably.
These are just, that's it. It's personal preference, but these are my favorite.
Okay.
What is this?
We love to compare oven mitts in the Come On Over house. Care to join us? Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
Here at the Come On Over house, we have very, very strong opinions about oven mitts.
We are a house divided.
We are a house divided.
On oven mitts.
We are. We love to cook. We cook a lot. We use the stovetop, which sometimes you have to have a oven mitt for the handle.
Yep.
Some of our older vintage pots. We use the oven a lot, and we use the grill. Well, he uses the grill. I don't use the grill.
You stay away from the grill.
I stay away from his magical grill. So I don't get all up in his grill.
Thanks a lot. I'll be here all week.
So tell them about your oven mitt preferences and how we ended up like this.
Well, what happened was we had this pair, which we both liked. No problems, no issues with this. They worked really well, but they got a hole in it,
Yes.
which I discovered when I grabbed a pen. Whatever,
Yes.
remember that.
So these are Cuisinart.
yeah.
Love them
These are
because
great.
they're super padded. They have a rubber, Muppet, puppet mouth. Here for grabbing. Very good until I think we burned it. And by
Somebody-
we, I mean you
Somebody
burned
burned
it. And so we went online
We
to
always means me.
80% of the time. So we went online to look up new oven mitts, and we discovered that he had a different oven mitt in mind than I did. So we thought, okay, let's get in our preferred oven mitts and then compare them.
It's an exciting time.
Exciting times at the Come On Over house. We also have the Of glove, by the way, which we do love. We love the Of glove.
I do like that, yeah. I don't use it very often, but I do like it.
I think it's more flexible than having your whole hand inside here. What I would say the downside is once you get this dirty and you wash it, you cannot dry it. So you have to wait and wait and wait and wait for the knit part to dry.
Why can you not dry it?
Because it's got rubber on here and it'll get in trouble.
Okay.
And plus the instructions say,
Do not dry.
yeah.
Okay.
So we do use that. We love it. But this is what we're talking about now. So in my Etsy store, did you know the Come On Over show has an Etsy store? We have these oven mitts. Blankety blank blank. This is hot. I don't mind this. I like the space in between that kind of blocks me from burning.
I didn't even know we had this until you just got it out. I guess it was in the bottom of the drawer there. And
It's in the drawer.
Because I always grab this one.
We have an Etsy store.
Didn't know that.
Yes,
Like it.
these are great for picking up large objects and protecting. See how that protects my wrists? Very good idea. And now we are divided in what remains. So tell them about your choice.
So this is the one I ordered, and I think we got these on Amazon.
We did?
And this covers up above the wrist. So if you're going in the oven, grabbing a big casserole dish, something heavy, this gives you protection up the wrist.
And you've had a couple of...
And they're thick.
They are.
Yeah,
and in
very
fact, this is why I don't prefer these. These are too thick for me. I don't feel any dexterity getting that dish out of the oven, but he loves them, and they have a little loop, boop, for hanging if you want to.
And these are washable.
These are washable,
And dryable.
yes. And dryable, although I'm not sure I have actually dried them. I'm a big fan on air drying a lot of
I'm
things.
not sure they've ever been washed. I'm looking at them.
I think I've watched them. Maybe I've spot treated them. I don't know. I ordered the KitchenAid half mitt. And the reason I did was I like the dexterity more than my wrist being blocked. These also have a little loop here if you wanted to hang them. And this rubber mitt part is much more, let's say, durable than this one was. So I feel like this is protecting my hand with super hot plates and dishes, especially if it's like a big cast iron pot. And you know those things are super hot when they come out of the oven.
And heavy.
And so I feel I can get a good grip. I cannot get the grip on these that you do.
Well,
but
the rubber helps
on
you
here.
really grab it and not drop it.
Probably silicone, but really like these. So there are always oven mitts in the Come On Over house to use. We really use them all because someone, I don't know who, will sometimes put their thumb down into the pizza and that's how it ends up getting dirty. So then we go to the oven glove and then that goes into the pasta dish or something and it gets dirty. And so then we are down to this, which I like to use these all the time, but this is really my preference as far as everyday use. So maybe you have a favorite oven mitt. Tell us what it is in the comments below. This is not how we really talk. We're really much more opiniinated.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
Okay. I think these are the best.
Start over. There's a sniff.
You know who that is.
We like to talk oven mitts. No.
That was so good.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.